Hashtags are a crucial part of social media marketing, but you have to use them the right way. Once you start using Twitter, Facebook, or any other popular social network, it doesn't take long to discover the hashtag, a word or phrase in the middle of a tweet or a Facebook update that starts with the hash or pound symbol tag and refers to anything from a breaking news event to an upcoming holiday to the latest celebrity scandal. If you've ever wondered what hashtags are, how they work, why everyone is using them, and how to use hashtags in your posts, we've got some answers for you. What is a hashtag? A hashtag itself is very simple. It's a word or a phrase that starts with a hash or pound character to mark a topic in a tweet or a post on another social network. Unlike most features of modern websites and apps, the hashtag wasn't dreamed up by someone behind a social network, but instead was invented by an early user of Twitter. The hashtag was based on the idea of creating channels within Twitter and was intended as a so-called channel tag to both categorize a tweet and help others learn the context of the discussion by making the topic visible. Hashtags are ubiquitous not only on Twitter, but on other social networks from Facebook to Google+ to Instagram. Again, members use them to chronicle events from international news stories, celebrity appearances, and for individual users' daily activities. How do I use hashtags? Here are some simple rules to follow to get started. Number 1. In a hashtag, the hashtag symbol directly precedes the word or phrase. Don't put a space after the hashtag symbol. Number 2. A hashtag needs to be written as a single word, without spaces. Number 3. While you can use a number in a hashtag, typically punctuation and special characters won't work. And number 4. Hashtags can be placed anywhere in a post, at the beginning, middle, or end of a tweet or an update. Hashtags also make your content relevant to issues in real time and allow you to be easily found on social media sites. Take some time to study the trending hashtags that relate to your brand, business, and the content that you are sharing, and then use that as a way of tagging your posts to gain more traction across all of your networks. Again, when you are hashtagging, never use spaces, none whatsoever. If you need to separate words, use capital letters instead of spaces. That way, you can easily identify each individual word. Adding capitalization does not change the search results for any hashtag. Numbers are definitely okay to use, and I would actually encourage you to use them, especially when you are doing things like year-end posts. You can use hashtag 2015, for example. Go to Twitter and you'll see hashtags on most tweets, especially from businesses. And for good reason. Tweets with a hashtag get double the engagement versus tweets without them, which is reason enough to give them a try. But remember to limit them to 2 hashtags per tweet. Using more than 2 hashtags drops engagement by 17%. Tweets with 1 to 2 hashtags have 21% more engagement. Users are 55% more likely to retweet when there is at least 1 hashtag included. 25% of tweets without hashtags get retweeted, but 40% of tweets with hashtags get retweeted.